Hello and welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today I'm going to show you just a fun arrangement which we're going to call Brickiebana. Now you've heard of Brickiebana. This is the latest trend in Brickiebana or Brickiebana. What we've got is a beautiful flat dish and we've got a brick. Now this brick has got some beautiful holes in it and we're going to use this brick to create our arrangement. So we've added our brick to our container. Because it's nice and heavy we don't need to worry about securing it. And I'm going to add some water to our dish. So you really need to pick a brick that's got holes in it, but also a dish that's going to have enough depth that the stems can go down to the bottom. So material wise, I've got some antirrhinum, I've got some blooms, we've got some lovely pussy willow, I've got some curly willow, and I've got some eucalyptus and some aspidistra. So really this is just about having fun and thinking about materials that are different that maybe we could use to make an arrangement. So I'm looking at the size of my dish and also the height of my stems. So straight away we can see that this holds our material where we want it. Now some of the holes are a little bit bigger than the material, so we can actually use two pieces together to create a little bit of security within that. So straight away we've got a nice tall piece to take the eye up, and then we've got a bit of a line with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my materials just to create a line. Now we can manipulate our materials a little bit as well, maybe not that much, but you can put a bit of a twist on them as well. Let's find a bit. Yeah, this is good. So this is going to be a little bit more having to use your eye to see what you're going to do. But I'm literally just going to place the materials in such a way. Now I don't really want to hide the brick. With Brickiebana you really want to celebrate the fact that you've used the brick. So let's not hide the brick, let's celebrate the brick. I'm just going to turn this round. So what we're doing is we're looking at the materials as we go and looking for the form that we're going to create. Now we can have a look at our snapdragon. So whatever materials, I wouldn't put too much in because you don't want to hide the brick, obviously, but you also want to keep it quite simple. And just look at how you position things to get them to face the way you want. So I'm cleaning off any material that's going to end up in water. We don't want bits of leaves or that in the water. Snapdragon's lovely, and actually it'll be quite happy just straight into water like this. So for our blooms, we're going to bring these lower down. Again, I'm just cleaning off any material. I'm just going to add a little bit of pussy willow to it. So I know this is for fun, but let's keep an eye on how it actually works. So I think if you're looking for materials like a brick, then just keep an eye out for ones that are ideally an old one that's got real interest to it, and also if it's got holes, that's what you really need for this. There are other ways of doing Brickiebana with your brick if it doesn't have holes, which we might look at a later date. So just double checking. So you'll get a different look depending on what materials you use. But really, it's as simple as that. So we've created a bit of a design, just as you would if it was in foam, but we're using a brick to create our construction for holding it together. I hope you've enjoyed today's introduction to Brickiebana, and thank you for watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with all our videos, then please click here to subscribe. Thank you.